Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Gotcha. Okay, what do we need to make soup?
We need a bucket.
Bucket.
We need a bucket.
A bucket? You look really pale.
I am got one.
Killed. Soup! Soup.
Sorting of the products. Oh no, the bucket open. Yeah.
No.
Where's the hose?
Over there, I see it.
I found it. Get up, bucket, get up.
You gotta turn on the hose.
Don't pick it down.
What? What's with the face? Straight me, I'll kill you. Okay. Duh. Okay. Looks like cranberries because they float.
Cranberries. Now we're gonna wash.
Here you go. I want the pink one.
Okay. Cracking the eggs. Crack, crack, crack. Sorry, cracking it.
Oh, it's gonna spray all over me.
Can you see it?
Yep.
There you go. I cracked the egg. Now you put the shell away.
Now.
I'm killing all these flowers and put them in our soup.
We are putting delicate exotic flowers in our soup.
The multiple white bleached flower, but we use nice blue hydrangea flowers. These are those ones. We're not. I don't think we're supposed to use them, but smell it.
I can smell them from here.
Delicious.
And they're beautiful. They look like butterflies.
What the hell? Get out there.
What?
Take them.
It was
Oh,
covering.
it's on the thing.
It was covering the daisy.
So we're just gonna be doing this until this is gone.
What?
No, because I could just see myself dropping it in there since I was holding on to it really
Oh,
tight.
dropping it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I would kill you. Oh my god. What you doing there? Trying to destroy the apple? How's it working for you?
Oh yeah, there you go.
Mushity mush mush.
That smells good.
How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel like a winner.
Like a winner? It actually smells really good.
I know, right? My hand's kind of itchy.
I know, same. I don't think it's like good.
It's like on top.
Try to pick it up. Try to pick it up. Ew, it looks like crazy. This, I guess? Yeah.
Now.
You gotta eat it too. show them how delicious it is. Mmm, good stuff. Oh, it's just dripping with goodness. Oh, you finished that good. Let's see the container. Okay, good job. You finished it. Nip, nip. Ew, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious. Okay. It's good. Wait, I'm trying to... See, because I'm moving too fast.